I've got 2 medium onions that I've sliced really, really thin. Like, look, like paper thin. And this is 2 pounds of fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna dump that whole thing in there. Go ahead and, leave all the seeds out so it's less watery. Give this a little mix, and then this is gonna go onto the stove so that we can cook this whole thing down. We're not adding any other spices or anything to this. And we'll be right back once it's all softened. I have a magic tabletop that I have cooked this down. Just took about 10 minutes on the stove on medium heat. If you want to add some oil, you can. I've got this peppercorn medley. I love these that already have the grinder in because you can actually grind them ahead of time in the lid so you can actually take a good measurement. So this is about 2 teaspoons. And then I've got these, I love these like pickled jalapenos, but I went ahead and chopped up this is about 1/4 cup. Mix that in as well. And once that's mixed together, ooh, those jalapenos are smelling so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. Bringing in, all right, this is a 9x13. I've got a box of these. You can use regular cheeses, but I'm using these duos with the 2 kinds of cheese. Get a cup. Go ahead and crush them. Get out that aggression, like that. Take that cup of crushed Cheez-Its. Put that at the bottom of the casserole dish. Spread that out. You can add more if you want, but the recipe I found just said 1 cup, so I'm just leaving it like that. Then we're gonna be adding our jalapeno, onion, and tomato mix. That goes right on top. Just be a little bit careful. You don't wanna move those cheeses around too much. And once you have like that base layer on, then you can kind of spread it out carefully. So it's all one layer. And smush it down. Like that. Okay. Then we're gonna be setting this aside. Bringing in a bowl. This is 11 and a half ounces, and I need 1.5 cups of mayo, which means I'm just gonna use this whole container. A little shy of 12 ounces, but that's okay. And there we go. See, look, you don't even have to have anything left over. This is one of those like half-dried pre-chopped basil. We just need 1/4 cup of that. And then we're gonna this is a 2-cup bag, so we're just gonna use half of the sharp cheddar. And the same goes for this Parmesan. So half a bag, so 1 cup each. It's right in there. And mix this together. Once that's mixed together, we're going to go ahead and put that right on top of those tomatoes and onions and jalapenos. And spread that around as well. Then for our final layer, we come back with another cup of that Parmesan sharp cheddar, just like the cheeses that are in that mayo. Perfect combination. I've already pre-crushed these. And that's gonna go right on top. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, like just shy of an hour. Obviously, check to see the doneness around the 50-minute mark. See if you need to leave in a little bit longer. And we'll be right back to give this a taste test. Look at that, everything's cooked down even more. Once it's been in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and take a scoopful. Look at that. Tomatoes and onions. You know it's gonna be good. Take a bite out of this. It's got that cheese topping. I let this cool, so I know I'm not gonna burn my mouth off today. Oh, that is some multi-flavored amazingness. You have to make this a little bit spicy, so tomatoey, kind of cheesy, super, super delicious.